Hey ladies, it's Julia Cobb, and I wanted to share with you exactly what is a Zoom call. So I am going to go to here's Facebook. Let me get all these messages out of here. When you go to the Team Rise page, oh, I guess I need to upload, oh, I needed to redo the photo. Anyway, squirrel. Okay, we have a new consultant Zoom call, March 8th at 8 p.m. And a lot of people have been asking, what in the world is this Zoom and how in the world do I do it? So I'm just going to show you. If you'll go to the event, New Consultant Chat, Brianne has a post that she posted on February 27th with the link. So if you're on your computer, all you have to do is click here, and what will pop up is the Zoom homepage, and it says, do you want to allow this page to open? Yes. So click allow, and it shows when the meeting is going to start. So what it would actually do if the meeting had started, it would actually start the meeting for you. So that's pretty simple. If you just click on that direct link, it'll take you straight there. Once this window opens, you'll see a bunch of people like the Brady Bunch kind of in photos. If you'll go down to the bottom left, there'll be a little microphone that will have a little red X across it. If you click on that, then everyone will be able to hear you. And the same thing for the video button. If you have video capabilities on your laptop, if you'll click on the little video button, everybody will be able to see you. So I hope this helps and clears up a little confusion about what Zoom is. It's free. It's a great way for us to have a meeting and see each other. If for some reason you've got kids running around and you've got dogs jumping in your face, you can leave your microphone muted, and you can also leave the video turned off. But it's always helpful if you have a question to ask, that should be able to help you. Thanks.